blueback parrot and the gala cockatoo, presenting to you Prince Picoy and Princess Pinky. Presenting to you the blueback parrot named Prince Picoy. They are found in tropical moist lowland forests. Flocks are small and often active at night. They are endemic here in the Philippines. And presenting to you the gala cockatoo, Princess Pinky. They are also known as the rose-breasted cockatoo. The gala cockatoo is native to Australia. Once again, Prince Picoy and Princess Pinky. Coming up next, please welcome the African Grey Parrots. Presenting Prince Jello and Princess Summer. The African Grey has a charming personality. They are recognized as the most suckers among all pet parrots. African Grey Parrots are native to West and Central Africa. Once again, the African Grey Parrots, Prince Jello and Princess Summer. And now we would like to present to you the cockatoos. Presenting to you Coco and Charlie. They make good pets as they are gentle and playful, but they tend to be shy. These kind of birds are native to Eastern Australia. Once again, the cockatoos, Coco and Charlie. And lastly, for the parrots, please welcome the Harlequin Macaw and Scarlet Macaw. The Harlequin Macaw named Harley. This strikingly colorful Harlequin Macaw is a hybrid parrot, a cross between a blue and gold macaw and a green-winged macaw. They are very intelligent, long-lived birds that can mimic human speech. The Scarlet Macaw, native to the evergreen humid forests of the American tropics in Central and South America. Once again, Harley, the Harlequin Macaw, together with Scarlet Macaw. That's it for the parrots. Let's now call on the bearcat. Presenting to you the iguanas, Josh and Jelly. Iguanas are herbivorous lizards. Did you know iguanas can detach their tail if caught and can grow another? Now that's amazing. Once again, the iguana. snake. Presenting to you the albino snakes, dogs, and bear. They are one of the 6 largest snakes in the world. They can weigh up to 200 pounds. They are excellent swimmers and can stay submerged for up to 30 minutes before surfacing for air. Once again, the albino snakes. Let's now move on to the poultries. Please welcome our geese. Poultries are domesticated avian species that can be raised for eggs, meat, or feathers. For the first poultry animals, please welcome our geese. They are large birds that live near rivers and lakes. They belong to a group called waterfowl. Once again, our geese. And lastly, for the poultry, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the biggest and the fastest bird on land. Presenting to you Erica the ostrich. Ostriches are fast runners of any birds or other two-legged animal. They can sprint at over 70 km per hour. Once again, Erica the ostrich. Let's now move on to the ruminants. Please welcome the miniature donkeys. Presenting to you Prince Jack and Princess Jane. The same kind of donkey who accompanied Joseph and Mary to Bethlehem. Thus portraying service, suffering, peace, and humility. They are by nature people-loving and truly care for his or her family. They are playful and will develop lasting social bonds with humans. And that's it for the first segment, or what we call the Animals of Parade. Tunghayan ang isang pagdiriwang tungkol sa masaganang kultura ng ating mga katutubong icon. Sa isang barangay sa Kalayunan ay may isang tribo ng mga katutubong icon. Mapayapang namumuhay, masiyahin at mapag-aruga sa kalikasan. Mga batang umunting icon na masayang nagsisipag na rin, pamilya na nagmamahalan sa isa't isa, at mga kalalakihan na namamahalan ng kanilang mga alagang hayop at halaman. Ang tribong ito ay pinamumunuan ng kanilang chieftain. Siya ang nagsisilbing gabay at tagapagpanatili ng kaayusan sa kanilang komunidad. Subalit, may mga masasamang elemento na nagnanais buwagin ang pagkakaisa, maglikha ng pagkakawalay sa isa't isa, na siyang magdudulot ng di pagkakaunawaan at hahantong sa isang digmaan na pagtawagin ng tribal war. ay talunan. Hatid ay pighati, mga buhay ay nasawi, mga batang naulila, at kabuhayang nasira. Ngunit kailanman ay hindi hahayaan ng pinuno o ng chieftain na manaig ang kaguluhan sa kanyang nasasakupan. Ito ay kanyang pangungunahan ng may buong tapang upang manumbalik ang kapayapaan at pagkakaisa. Sa mapayapang komunidad ang kanilang tribo, sila'y magtatanghal ng isang pagdiriwang at magpapamalas ng ilang katutubong sayaw na hango sa kanilang masaganang kultura. Ating tutukayan ang unang sayaw, ang worship dance. Ang worship dance, ang sayaw bilang pasasalamat sa kanilang apo na Maryari. Rapid dance, ang sayaw na paggaya sa mga kilos at galaw ng mga hayop tulad ng matching. Tulad ng isang agila. At tulad ng isang ahas. Muli, ang lapindeng dance. Ang susunod na sayaw ay ang compared dance. Pagtulong ng mga bata sa kanilang magulang sa mga gawaing bahay. Muli, ang compared dance. Ang pinakahuli sa lahat ay ang courtship dance. Ang courtship dance, ang sayaw na paraan ng mga palalakihang aita sa kanilang panliligaw. Mabighani ang mga kababaikang aita na kanilang minamahal o sinisinta. Muli, ang courtship dance. At inyong pong natunghayan ng pagdiriwang tungkol sa masaganang kultura ng ating mga katutubong aita. Let us all stand by, ladies and gentlemen. The next segment of the Night Owl Show, please welcome Zucubus Fire Nation, the boy dancers. watching the show, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to